What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's earlier than I would like it to be. I wish I was in bed under the blankets, but we're gonna go do some car shit today. I'm taking this car. I actually never take this thing to meets, but since I put these wheels on, I literally cannot stop staring at it. I can't stop driving it. I love how it looks. So I thought, why not take it out today? We're going to be hitting the Cars and Coffee. Just waiting on the homie Eric, and we'll dip out. All right, guys. Fast forward about an hour or so. Met up with my boy Eric. Maybe some gas. Met up with the other homies. Supercharged today's one on 135i.
It's crazy how fucking fast Beamers are, bro. Those shits are a cheat code. They get some Beamers?
Let's go.
Who wants the Q50? I'm sending you for a Beamer.
No way, bro. CHP just pulled the homie over.
Can you record, Eric? Try to record. No.
Wow, bro. You guys can't see it, but damn, the homie got pulled over. So the homie just texted me saying that he actually got let go. And he was telling him like that he had a cool car and he had a 335i himself and what was done to his. And if we were going to the Cars and Coffee, bro, that's funny. It's actually pretty sick to know that there's a cool CHP officers like that.
Ain't no way the homie just caught us up. He must have been smashing, bro, because we're not driving that slow. He's probably all happy. Whoa! Wow, I wish I could turn on my popcorn map, but I can't because I'm driving. I should look you moving.
Guys, I can't get over how much of a difference these wheels have made on this car. I just did a pull off camera. You can even ask Eric. Bro, this thing was low-key moving. It really gave me motivation to finish this build. I want to fix the header leak. I actually seen a Tommy for sale. I might cop it again. The only thing with Tommy is that thing is super loud, but performance-wise, I mean, you can't really beat it for the price. So I might cop that, some intakes, maybe even some headers instead of fixing the header leak. Get some headers instead. Might as well. I'm taking off the headers anyways. Yeah, put this thing on 85. This thing will probably move, bro. Not gonna lie.
That thing sounds good, bro. And I think it's just straight pipe too. Pretty good.
Should we scare him?
You guys didn't even fucking flinch.
What's up, homie? What's up, bro? What did the cop tell you?
Bro, he basically just pulled me over to tell me to give me a compliment.
Alright, guys, we made it. Little McLaren leaving. I wonder how it feels to be rich, Eric. How do you think it feels?
I don't know.
We'll find out soon or what?
Yeah.
We're at a park in the parking structure. There's no parking up top. If I was in the Z, I'd be heated. But I'm not, so I ain't tripping.
Nah, they wouldn't let you.
Alright, guys, let's see what kind of cars are here. Start with this GTR. Could never go wrong with TEs on any car, bro. So clean. Damn, SBC RPF on the world. I can't lie, for the price that these wheels are, they're fire. I need to get them center caps though. I'm not a fan of these new Subarus, but this one's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm telling you guys, TE37s look good on any car. I don't know why I haven't got some yet. That's like literally my dream wheels, and I've never got them for the Z. Anybody want to buy my Nismos? Psych. Got a Super on some Meisters. Okay, I see you, I see you. It's 240s for sale, I think. Should we buy it? On the TEs, it's like the 10 cars seen on TEs already. Hey, that black 340i is pretty clean. OEM Plus, just lower on stocks. Front lid. Looks pretty clean. Chris, where you at? This might be the homie Chris's next build right here. I kind of leaked it. These are so fire. Like I said, just simple things of lowering. I'm not sure if it has spacers, and I'm pretty sure it does. Lower spacers. That's all these cars need. We got the new S650 over here. I love the front end of these cars, I'm not gonna lie. I like these way better than the previous gen. The front end. Actually, the whole car's pretty sick. And that RSX, I need one. Another one. I need another RSX and boost it.
I see your old one every fucking day.
Yeah, he's your neighbor. That single exit. Need that. And we made it to the baller area. We made it to the must be nice area. You adopting?
I don't want to talk.
This color is so fire. I think I paint my Z this color. Or the Q. If I could paint the Q this color, that'd be fire. Dude, Porsche has the best colors. Eric put in this one out, the new Z06s. I'll never see one in person. Honestly, it's pretty nice. Yeah, that carbon fiber.
I don't know about that, but it
That Aventador just started up. I think this is my favorite car here so far. That idle is crazy, bro. We need one. Dang, I got a twin turbo R8. How about you think he'll get me?
not that bad.
Really? You think?
Nah, I should fucking walk you.
Pump 91, I'll probably give you a... Nah, you'll probably still get me. Damn, look how long this Bentley is, bro. Damn, those calipers. Damn, bro, that Tundra was fire. So is this one. Blazer? Ah, it's just clean, bro. Super clean. Sheesh, got a clean 300 right here. This car is definitely on my bucket list as well. I always see the Supra here when we come, and it always breaks my neck. Damn, bro, this shit is so clean. Got a stock one right next to it too. Is it manual? Automatic. You want to sell it? Sheesh, my boy ready to grab a supercar after this. He ain't got me though. Demon 170. Shit's sick.
Pretty sure.
You think I'll grab him?
Yeah, for sure.
Damn, this is the real Demon 170 right here.
Right now.
Definitely gonna be my next car, I think, if I don't get the Supra. Literally, this is literally perfect. Perfect. I seen this car last time. I have no idea what it is, but it's sick. Damn, this Camaro is fire, low-key. The carbon HREs, okay. Okay, I see you. I see you. Yeah, it's probably one of the cleanest fidget Camaros I've ever seen. And if I'm not mistaken, that's actually, I think, the guy that like hosts this meet. I think this is his. Not sure though. Either way, it's sick too. I completely missed this. Okay, I see you. That's just sick.
Do you want?
I really missed this gem right here too. Sheesh. These are the best stickers I've ever seen on the car. That car. Sheesh, got some Q50 over there. Across the parking lot, I randomly spotted a Z06 on TE37. This thing is hard, bro. Damn, this looks f***ing sick. Z06 on the TEs. That's gangster. We came back to the cars to find out that somebody slashed this fool's tires. I'm just kidding.
guy is bullying the Porsche. He's on his ass, bro. My dumbass had traction control on. Damn, that was pretty good. Damn, this car just bogs out, bro. But even then, that shit got me. We're doing 60 rolls because he said in second gear he feels like it'll bog out sooner. So, but damn, that's just pretty quick. I think it makes like 420 wheel, but it has some issues. I'm gonna try to get them retuned with the homie E-Class. So once we get that car will be a lot faster. Yeah, that car ran decent right now. Yesterday he took me on a ride, and I'll add the video right here. When he shifts it into third, the car will literally die. He'll fall on his face. He'll full throttle it, and he's barely even like going. It's weird. What we think is that it's his fuel pump that's maxing out. He thinks that the previous owner rerouted a vacuum line wrong. So I'm trying to take him over to my boy E-Class to get this thing retuned and make some power. It should be making a lot more power than 420. And even right now, it's not making that power because it cuts off. But the car's pretty quick though. Alright guys, made it to the little spot, grab some food, and then we're gonna go home and take a nap because we're both fucking exhausted. Apple teeth. So the diet starts tomorrow. What?